Hello everyone, welcome to PipeDrive. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Pipedrive and Salesforce. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new person is added in Pipedrive, it will automatically create a lead in Salesforce. Now Pipedrive is an excellent pipeline management software and Salesforce is an awesome CRM tool. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from Pipedrive to Salesforce. But there is one minor problem. There is no integration between Pipedrive and Salesforce. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Pipedrive and Salesforce. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be run easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Here just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as Pipedrive to Salesforce. Pipedrive to Salesforce. Then click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Pipedrive? Because we want to send the data from Pipedrive. That is why. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new person? Okay, so new person is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question: if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new person is made, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more trigger events like new deal, new organization, new product, new pipeline, new note, update deal. All of them are a bunch of trigger events. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new person is made in Pipedrive. Okay, so basically what we are trying to do here is, we are just trying to integrate Pipedrive to Pabbly Connect. So just click on connect with Pipedrive. Okay, so in the new credentials, we have to fill in the API token. So to get the API token, let's have a visit to Pipedrive. Okay, so this is my Pipedrive account. So as you can see, it is showing all the deals and all. So to get the API key, let's go to this part called as profile. So clicking on profile, you will find the option called as company settings. Click this. Okay, so this is the company settings page. Click on personal preferences. Okay, so now this is the personal preferences page. Here you will find the option called as API. Click this. Okay, so this is your personal API token. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the API token. Just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, you have two choices, two blanks here, webhook URL and the company domain. So to get the company domain, all you have to do is go to Pipedrive and copy this. This is the company domain you want. Mine is Pabbly Connect 3. Okay, so basically all the characters in between HTTP part and Pipedrive is basically your company domain. So I'm just copying this and simply pasting it here. Okay, so basically all we have to do at this point is just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing that we have integrated Pipedrive to Pabbly Connect. So this means anytime a new person is created in Pipedrive, Pabbly Connect has to capture this data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, click on this button, capture webhook response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So let me go to Pipedrive and let's test it by creating a person. So I'm going to create a person. Okay, so the name of the person is this, Aaron Manuel. And the organization he works in is name some good organization. Okay, IBM. He works in IBM. Okay, and the label is as hot lead, and the phone number is 9131323915. Okay, so the email of this guy is this one. Okay. Okay, so excellent. We have filled in all the necessary details. Just click on save. Okay, a person called as Aaron Manuel has been created. Now, since Pabbly Connect is integrated with Pipedrive, let's have a visit in Pabbly Connect to see whether it has captured this data or not. Yes, as you can see, it is showing all the data that we need. For example, let me scroll down. This is the first name, that is Aaron. This is the last name, Manuel, and this is the full name, Aaron Manuel. So where are the rest of the details? So this is the phone number, and this is the email. And this is the time it was created. Okay, so this is the organization, IBM. Excellent. So we are ready to create a lead in Salesforce. So to do that, all you have to do is just click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Salesforce? Because we want to create a lead in Salesforce. That is why. Now in the action event, how about we make it as create a lead? Okay, so there are many more action events like create task, create contact, update lead, update contact, and so on. All of them are a bunch of action events. However, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action event according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to create a lead in Salesforce. Okay, so just click on connect with Salesforce. Okay, so in the new credentials, just again click on connect with Salesforce. Okay, so now Pabbly Connect is demanding access to my Salesforce account. So before you press on allow, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so on the basis of that trust, just click on allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. So when you click on OK, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to create a lead in Salesforce from the data that we have received from Pipedrive via Pabbly Connect. So for example, in the last name, we have a blank. So to map in the details, all we have to do is just click on this button. This is called as the mapping button. Click this. So what was the name? It was, the last name was Manuel. So we have mapped it. Similarly, for the first name, we are just going to map in the first name, that is Aaron. Then the title, we don't have any title, so let's ignore this. Now the company was IBM, I guess. Okay, so the company is IBM. Similarly, we have data regarding the phone number. So this is the one. And of course, we have data regarding the email. So this is the one. No data regarding the website. We can leave the description also blank. The lead source is of course the web. The status, I'm keeping it as working contacted. The rating, I'm keeping it as warm. The street, if we want, we can enter the details regarding the street, but I highly doubt that it's there because Pipedrive didn't have any data fields regarding that. Okay, so the city can be also will remain empty. The country will also remain empty. Okay, so basically we have mapped all the sufficient details to create a lead in Salesforce. So when we click on save and send test request, it will create a lead in Salesforce. Let's see. Okay, so the API response is showing it has sent the data to Salesforce. So let's have a look. Okay, so let me refresh this. This is the leads page. Okay, so as you can see, we have a lead that has been recently created. So the lead's name is Aaron Manuel and the company works in IBM, and this is the phone number. Excellent. So the presence of this lead in Salesforce shows that we have successfully integrated Pipedrive to Salesforce with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if our integration is working fine or not. But before we do that, let me show you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So basically, this is the whole process in a nutshell. So what I'm going to do here is I have minimized my action window and I have minimized my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Pipedrive to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Salesforce. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Pipedrive and Salesforce. Excellent. So how about we create one more person? So let me create one more person. So the name of the person is Tom Cruise, and the organization he works is DLF. Okay, so the label we are keeping it as cold lead. Okay, this is the phone number 9131 3239397. Okay, and this is the email. Okay. Okay, so okay, so we have made some changes in case the lead called as Tom Cruiser is already present. Okay, so just click on save. Okay, a person called as Tom Cruiser has been created as a person in this Pipedrive. So let's have a look in leads whether we have a Tom Cruiser. Yes, there is a lead called as Tom Cruiser and he works in the company DLF and this is the phone number. Excellent. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means whenever a new person is added or created in Pipedrive, it will be reflected as a lead in Salesforce.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.